Yo. First order, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's $10 and some change, going 6 miles, 2 items. Man, that wind is something else.
Turn left.
JKLM. Okay, so this is not over here. Tell me why I had to get buzzed in twice, because the pin was wrong on the address. And then I still had to wait for her to find her wallet because I needed ID. Why you gotta do this to me? Next order up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $7 and some change, going 4 miles. I need a gate code. Need a gate code. I do not have all day. Come on now. Got my next order lined up right after this too. It's gonna be for Starbucks, $7 going 3 miles. So I need to get this one done ASAP so I can head back over. Bro, am I really gonna have to wait here for 5 more minutes? Why is this guy snoozing? Give me the gate code so I can bring you your coffee. Looks like this car's leaving so I can actually get in. Jesus. Oh, now I got a gate code. Appreciate that.
At Starbucks.
I just got an add-on order. This one's going to be an additional $6 going less than a mile. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Looks like we've got a stack going to the same person. We've got Tammy's Bleepin' Kitchen and 7-Eleven. $14 going 6 miles. Even if there's a little bit of a wait, this should be a good order. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You as well.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is going to be $7 and some change, going 3.5 miles. We got 041. Should be that bag right there. Thank you. You too. Next order up, we've got a Taco Bell. This one's going to be $10, going about 3 miles. Thank you.
Yeah. And then for Alyssa, will you go ahead and call her?
Well, as you can see, the little screw that holds my camera tight in place is now broken. So, I'm not really sure what to do here. I think I have another one at home, but am I really gonna go home just for that? It's still pretty early, so I might have to. Okay, I just got this McDonald's order. It's gonna be $8 and some change, going less than 2 miles. Hopefully, this thing holds up. This order is pretty good, and I'm right here, so sorry if it's all wonky.
Can you change the couple buckets?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Screw acquired. We're good now. And I just got my next order. This is going to be for Starbucks. $9 going 5.5 miles.
One mobile for Danielle. I think that's what keep shaking it.
Oh no, I need a pin for this one. Now, how do I get in here? Okay, I guess somebody stole their little gate stand. So I have to go around. People just love making me wait. Looks like we just got a stack going to the same person. We've got a Voodoo Donut and Starbucks. $11 going 4 miles.
Here's that.
Thank you. You see? Paul? Yes.
Oh, you got both of them there.
Yep.
Cool, man.
There you are.
Thanks. Appreciate it, buddy.
Yep. Have a good day. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. This one's gonna be $16.25, going 5 miles. Looks like 6 items.
17.
Six of these.
I mean, I've got money. I buy there all the time. I use DoorDash for dinners all the time. I've never experienced a message like that. Did you pick up my order or no?
Yeah, I'm like 3 houses down actually. It's still on my screen.
God. I'm crabby because I fell in the bathroom and I'm old and I broke my ribs. So
I'm not sure what she's yapping about. Something like that does happen. It's on my side too, but I still see your order, so. And then just a scribble on that line for me.
Oh Lord, I fell in the bathroom and I hit the corner of the wall of the
Oh, I see
under
that.
there. I had one that's fading under there, and then my ribs. This is the twice time I've broken my ribs.
Oh wow.
Yep. Well, the first time wasn't courtesy to me. It was the fireman doing CPR on me.
Okay. Very strange, but I made my money. All right, I'm pretty far away from home, so I think I might just call it here. Current time is 11:23. Current total is 109, and I have 1 Uber tip yet to come in, so probably around 115-ish. But anyways, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.